Welcome friends in our YouTube channel. Today we will see example number 10 from the exercise. Here two conditions are given. 2a minus b is equal to 8, 11, 8 and 7. Second one, 3a minus b is equal to 17, 19, 12 and 8. It is also given that 4a minus 3b is equal to what? Here we have to find out the value of 4a minus 3b. So from 3a minus b, if we deduct 2a minus b, so we will get the value of a. So 3a minus b minus 2a plus b. Now from this equation plus b and minus b will be deducted, and from 3a if we deduct 2a we will get the a. So here the matrix of 3a minus b is equal to 17, 19, 12 and 8, while the value of 2a minus b is 8, 11, 8 and 7. So if we deduct from one matrix to second, 17 minus 8 that is 9, 19 minus 11 that is 8, 12 minus 8 that is 4 and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So here we will get the matrix A. So A, matrix A is equal to 9, 8, 4 and 1. Now we have to find out the value of matrix B. So 2a minus b is equal to 8, 11, 8 and 7. Now if we put b on right hand side and matrix on left hand side, so 2a minus 8, 11, 8, 7 is equal to b. Now the value of matrix A we had already find out. So if we multiply matrix A with 2, we will get 2A. So 9 into 2 that is 18, 8 into 2 16, 4 into 2 8 and 1 into 2 2 minus 8, 11, 8 and 7 is equal to B. Now 18 minus 8 is equal to 10, 16 minus 11 is equal to 5, 8 minus 8 0 and 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 5. So here we get matrix B. So B is equal to 10, 5, 0 and minus 5. Now we had get matrix A and B. We have to find out 4a minus 3b. So first of all we have to find out 4a. So a will be multiplied with 4. So 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 8 into 4 that is 32. 4 into 4 that is 16 and 1 into 4 is equal to 1. Now we have to find out 3b. So matrix B will be multiplied with 3. So 10 into 3 that is 30. 5 into 3 that is 15. 0 into 3 0 and minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Now we will deduct 4a minus 3b. So 36, 32, 16 and 4 minus 30, 15, 0 and minus 15. So here 36 minus 30 is equal to 6. 32 minus 15 is equal to 17. 16 minus 0 is equal to 16, and 4 minus 15, that is minus minus plus, so 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So here we had get the value of 4a minus 3b is equal to 6, 17, 16 and 19.